Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, 7 Angels Stamping. I have an unboxing for you today. This is from Stampin' Up, and it's some supplies I had to order to do some more videos for y'all, and I was running out of some supplies, and I also I believe this is some supplies that I also earned for selling some things. So let's open it up. I already cut it open. I haven't looked, so I can't even remember exactly what I got in here. So let's get in here and see what I've got. So I did some really good sales this last month. Get this out of here. And I was really happy about that. This has been the best sales that I've done. So I actually became I'm gonna get everything out of here, and then I'll show you everything I got. Bronze Elite. So I'm very happy about that. So I just ordered some very vanilla cardstock, and yeah, that's just standard, you know, very vanilla cardstock to do some cards with. So I've got that. And then I've got this. This is the Peony Garden Designer Series paper. Now, if you don't know, there's several, and I probably should do a video on that and let you know which ones. There's selective, and there's a good bit of them. There's certain cardstocks, or not cardstocks, I'm sorry, designer series papers that are 15% off right now, and I do believe this is one of them. I think that's why I chose that. So you want to check that out. This is real pretty paper. Let me just open it and show you just how pretty this is. I always did like this paper, and I've been wanting to get it. This is a suite as well. There's a stamp set and dies and everything that comes that you could get with this. The stamps and everything and dies. And oh, the whole thing is just beautiful. I really did love this paper. Let me just show you. What I need to do is pull out one of each. Look at this. I hope I'm in good view. No, let me fix the camera back. Hold on. Okay. I'm going to lower my camera back down. Now the box is out of the way. Here is one side. There's the other. I guess I should have gotten it all out. We have this. And then there's this side. It's just really beautiful soft paper. I mean, you could use it for just about any occasion. And the thing I liked about it too was not only, I mean, it's got flowers on it, but as you see with the gray, there's solid gray, so you could use it for a man's card as well. So not just woman, but a man's card. So that's what's nice about it. So, and then see, here's this, I love that marble. Marble's beautiful. And then there's the marble again. So yeah, you can do male or female cards like that. So it's all just the two colors. Then I just got some of these glue dots. Now these glue dots are different than what you see in the paper pumpkin. They come on a roll like this. And they're just little glue dots. I don't know if you can see them very well, but they just, see, they're little mini glue dots right there. You see that? And they roll off on the, on here. Oop, here they are right there. I got them backwards. There they start right there. Then you just roll them out of the box. You see them? So they're a little bigger than what you get in the actual paper pumpkin. Let's see, where are the ones in the paper pumpkin? Here they are. You have to pick those papers off. And they're a little thicker too. So see, you can see the difference. So these are really nice to have. I know some people that get the paper pumpkin, they're not really crazy about these. Now, I've always used these. I liked these. I always had leftovers. I liked keeping them. But sometimes, you know, when I'm in a hurry and all, getting all those little papers off, it's kind of aggravating. So I did want to go ahead and get these and have them on hand. And especially to show them, because I know I've heard some people complain that they really didn't care for these, and I did want to get them and show them that these were in the store and what these look like. Then there's also multi-purpose glue, and this is one of my favorites to use, which I keep on hand all the time, and I love this. I used this way before I was ever a demonstrator, and I'm almost out, so I did have to get me another bottle. I try to always keep an extra bottle on hand if I can. Sometimes two if I can. I got me some extra blocks. So I got me another D block. That's a size that I like to always keep. And that is about the same size, yeah, as the paper pumpkin block, basically. I like it because of it's easy to hold on to. You know, these are a little flatter. So I definitely wanted to get another one of those. And then let's try and get me some more of these little ones. I have one of these. And I want to try and get some more because I tend to use a lot of these smaller ones. So I'll start putting in I think in every order if I can to get me at least one of those. I thought I had ordered two of them, but apparently I didn't. And then I got this one, and this is the F block. And it's the great big block. It's the biggest one they have. So I didn't have this one yet, and I knew I would need it for the bigger stamps. So I got that one. Alrighty. And then let's see, I got me some more pearl jewels, just basic pearl jewels, And then I got these Stampin' blends. I was very excited to finally get some of those. So I got, let's see, this I got was Dark Cherry Cobbler. Which one's this? Well, let's see. Actually, it's dark and light cherry cobbler. I take that back. So there's a dark and a light. Let's see. So it's cherry cobbler. This is balmy blue. The dark and the light. Old olive. Highland Heather, and I remember it said low inventory on the Highland Heather, so if you want in Highland Heather, you might want to check and see if they've still got that in inventory and get that. And I believe this is pumpkin pie. I think I remember ordering, yeah, and pumpkin pie. So those were the ones that I got. I still need to get some more of those. And several other supplies I'm still trying to get, since I am pretty new demonstrator, getting some of the supplies to show y'all. So anyway, that's what I've got in this box. I will be putting in another order and showing y'all some more stuff. Like the blends and just some other basic tools. But yeah, y'all just I hope y'all will keep watching for more videos, and I do hope that y'all have subscribed to my channel and have clicked the bell so that you'll be notified for, you know, and for my videos. And if you haven't, make sure you have, and please share my videos. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you are interested in purchasing any of these items or any Stampin' Up items, here is my host code. Just go to stampinup.com, put me in as your demonstrator, and before you check out, use that host code. And if you have any questions, just ask me in the comments below, and I'd also love it if you'd leave me a comment down below. I answer all comments. So I appreciate y'all watching, and I hope y'all have a very blessed day, and I'll see you again soon.